And we're back. So now I'm going to do the filling, and I'm going to do it with foil. Now I bought chip foil. You want something soft because let me tell you, if you get that heavy duty, it is a pain. It is hard to get out. I mean to, squeeze and so on. So I'll make myself easier. Okay, let's see what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and just start placing. What you're doing really is just filling the body. Make sure that the arms are free from the body, of course. Whoops. I think I made it a little bit too big, so sorry about that. There we go. I need some legs on that baby. Okay, okay. Yeah, I like it because, it twists around nicely. It's just so much better, really, than trying to do it with the cotton or the, or paper towels or whatever. I like this so much better. And make sure that you cover up the little hands. And again, I like that. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put some extra ones in here before I do the other one. Like I said, I should have done it as, okay, there we go. Kind of fill it in the little hole there. And then I'll put some over it. There we go. Now I can do this one. And and you can make the waist as narrow or as wide as you want. It don't really matter. I'll use that for the other side. I think I'm going to stick to smaller, pieces. And I'm going to kind of wrinkle it a little bit just to do a little better. And then I'm going to do this, this side. Oh, man. Got to figure out where it goes, right? Make sure it's right nice and under the arm, both sides. Okay, let's see. I want to come back a little bit because I don't want him to, way down there. There we go. Let's see, I'm doing this is the front, okay. Make sure you leave this piece out because that's where we're going to put the, the head eventually, yeah. So make sure that that's completely out, okay? Alrighty, she's got nice little shoulders, but you can still, move around. There you go. So that's good. Let me go ahead and finish this arm. Now these little bits, I'm going to put it in the front chest, just kind of in there. And what I want to do to this one is going to do like a poncho. I'm gonna put that over there like that so that I can really finish nicely this side in here and also the arms. Make sure you go into the under the pit of the arm, and of course just I find if I do that, really makes it, you know, nice and one piece at the front. So that's my story, and I stick to it, right? Alrighty. And also by doing it with this, you don't have to go through the thread, you know, tighten the thread and stuff like that. I've done it, and it's okay, but it's not my favorite thing, okay? Alrighty. Get a little bit more. I want to cut a piece longwise, and I'm going to go around the waist. Or torso, whatever you want to do it. I just want to reinforce that really good in there, okay? And there we go. It's beginning to look like something in it. And then this one, I'm going to put it in here, and we're going to do the same as the other one. Just bring it in and just kind of you know, make sure it's nice and tight. And we do it. Now you can put a little bit. I don't have my glue gun ready, but yeah, you can stick a little glue in here too, and just kind of, you know, to make it stay a little bit better. Now I need to come back in here with a piece because this is part of the, I guess, at the throat area, part of the chest, so I want to do that. I'm just gonna come back in here and just kind of make sure that it's, you know, all right. Yeah, I'll probably come back here and kind of, you know, touch it up a little bit with the glue gun. But basically, you know, it's this side. Basically, it's done. The top of it. If you want more, put more. For me, for my body, and since we still got some work to do to it, it's more than enough. All right, let's do the legs. Okie dokie, leggies. Let's see, I guess this is the front because this wants to come this way. So there we go. Yeah, definitely gonna have to come back with the, you never know about this kind of it is really the kind that is just, you have to be careful. But I would rather have this one than the other one, so, you know. See, that really does help a lot. And I'm gonna do another one, a narrow one maybe. Now come back. I'm gonna do the feet and wrap it in. And then just kind of, you know, and then just go up. I kind of make the feet a little bit, you know, longer than normal because I'm still going to make a bigger feet for the rabbit, but I did it this way to begin with, so I have a head start, as they say. Oh yeah, see? And like I say, we're still going to fill it up with the cotton, but right now we have something that the cotton is going to get hold of it. And this in here, I will definitely going to have to do a little bit glue gun here or there, but no biggie, because it will not want to. Some foils, it goes in really nicely. This one wants to pop up, so It is what it is. Let me finish this arm in here, because it wasn't finished totally like to my satisfaction. Okay, there we go. There we go. Just squeeze it good. And another piece. Or two. This wasn't so bad really, because it was just 99 cents for 25 feet of foil, so this is not bad at all. Okay, now I'm going to do this and come back here. This one has a little more than the other one, but it doesn't matter. At the end, they're all going to be the same anyway. So it just... I'll put a little more thickness to the ankle. And again, this one probably going to have to have a little bit of the hot glue on it, but hey, you know. Anyway, I know it don't look... It's the foil, folks, but I'm happy with it. I don't mind using some hot glue on them, so it's fine. And I'll do that and finish it off, you know, make sure everything is just like I wanted it when I get done. Everything in its place and everything. And basically, this is the bunny. Okay, all right, there we go. Anyway, this has got, yeah. Anyway, this is the bunny. And once this is all together, then we'll go to the next process, which is, to me, is the fun one, okay? There we go. All right, be back.